Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be tinting the taillights. I just got my windows tinted. 5% all around, except for the front window. I'm still debating if I'm going to get it tinted, but as you can see, it got really dark. It's dirty right now. I hosed it down. But yeah, they look pretty good. I like it. Now I just want to black out the taillights. They're already smoked, but I can still see like the chrome and stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the taillights out and then wipe them down real good, and then we're going to spray these on it. So I got some Rust-Oleum lens tint and also the clear coat. It's 1K clear, so it's extreme gloss finish, so we'll see how it looks. So first things first, I'm going to take out the taillights. Water still dripping down. Alright, so we'll do the driver's side first. Just pull back the carpet. As you can see right there, there's already one nut right here. Just gotta take it loose. The other one's gonna be back here, the other corner. So I'm gonna need both hands so I don't drop these lenses. So stay tuned. Alright, so what we did is, my girlfriend, she traced basically this tape thing because it's like a perfect circle. I don't want to have my reverse light too dark because it'll look really bad. So it's still gonna be smoke a little bit, but we're gonna tint the rest of it because I want it a lot darker. My dog over there yapping. Alright, so that's all I'm gonna do. Oh, we also put this on a clear binder so we can peel it off. So we'll see how that works. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, so now I'm going to take a circle. Just had it a second ago. So I finally got it. Oop. Guess I gotta be careful where I'm peeling it. Just like that. Alright. Now I'm going to try to place it on here. Just right where the circle is. Okay. Perfect. There we go. Right on the circle. Just want to be able to have brighter light output out in the back. So now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. I'm going to peel off the backing and do the same thing. Alright, so here's the before. This is stuff I'm going to be using for this. Using some Rust-Oleum lens tint and some 1K clear from Duplicolor Extreme Gloss. This is what they look like before. They come like this, already smoked. And I just taped off the reverse lights because I want more output. So now I already cleaned them down real nice. No more dirt. Now we're going to spray some of this. See how it comes out. I'll hold it up like this. So we're now using the Rust-Oleum lens tint. Make sure everything's wiped down real good. There we go. Wow. It's sprayed on really smooth. Just gonna go around it. Make sure I get all of the edges. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna stop right there. We're gonna let this coat dry for about 15 minutes. It's pretty cold out right now. It's like 75, maybe 72. So, wow, you can see it actually looks really dang good. Why does my dog want to bark now? Holy cow, that's glossy. Alright, so let that cure for about 10-15 minutes and we'll come back out. Oh yeah, here you go. So here you can see the difference. So this is just the first coat. And here's what it out it. This is just a smoke tail light, and this is with one coat of that Rust-Oleum tint. Wow, and it's so much shinier. I didn't even spray the 1K clear on this yet. Oh my god. I'm gonna wipe down this tail light again because I touched it with my hands. So I'm gonna leave it like this until it's cured, and then we'll spray another coat. We'll probably do maybe 3 coats because it's got dark already. I mean, you can tell the difference. Look at this. Ooh, you can see the chrome and how darker it is. Can't wait. Alright, here we go with the second coat. Wow, it got really dark quick. Alright, that's 2 coats. It comes out like glass, guys. This stuff sprays really nice. So now let's do a comparison. So this is 2 coats. I don't know. I'm gonna let it sit like this now. Let this cure. Because don't forget, we still got the clear coat. But it's really glossy compared to this. So this is the stock. That's 2 coats. Wow. That looks night and day. And don't forget, we still gotta peel that circle off. That's for my reverse, so when I back up, I can still see. So, stay tuned. Alright, you guys. So, that's 2 coats. It's now dry to the touch. It was about 15 minutes. Not too bad. It's got a little small run right there. But I'm just going to spray the clear coat now over the top. I'm using this 1K clear by Duplicolor. And we'll see how it comes out. Comes out heavy. Okay. Just want to make sure I get everything. Alright, wow. This stuff works amazing. Oh, it even almost got rid of the run. It's flattening it out. I think it's gonna look good once it's back on the car. Alright, you guys, finish the taillights. They look amazing. The circle is perfect. Just a little dirty. I got some fingerprints on it. I could add another coat of clear, but it looks really nice like this. But now I'm having issue with my plug. I notice it's kind of rusty in there, but when I moved this around, like when I moved these wires right here, it started turning on and it turned off. So now I'm gonna try to cut these wires, try to pull these out and see if I can make a new connection. Because right now my right light doesn't work. Only my blinker works, but not my brake light bulb. It doesn't turn on at all. My third brake light turns on. This one, which is broken, I have a extra one, and this one works. God, it got dusty already. Look at that. That looks good. Not bad for my first time tinting. It gets dirty really easy. It's dusty. I'm gonna put some like wax on it. But yeah, so I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna cut it, and once I figure it out, I'll show you guys what I did. I ended up fixing it. It was the black wire was loose on the connector. I was moving it up and down. So what I did is I pushed it harder in, and it felt it click. So I guess when I was unplugging it and tugging on it, it pulled it out of its socket. But this is what it looks like in daytime. Let me close the hatch. I got a new third brake light too. I'm not sure if I'm gonna paint it. But look at that. These eBay taillights look 10 times better, and they're very bright. This is daytime right now, as you can see, obviously. These were the hazards on. I didn't I did cover the reverse light, remember? And look at that. Looks like I bought it like this. Nice and smooth. I could sand it to get some of the orange peel off, but I'm pretty happy with it. Now let me turn the brakes off. I have the brake lights on with the rock. Oh, that beeping noise. Here it is with just the hazards. No brake lights. And they're bright. This is 2 coats. 2 coats of the tint and 2 coats of clear. Now here's without the hazards. Yeah. And let me put the brake back on so you can see with just the brakes without taillights blinking. It's harder than I thought. There we go. So you see the back, left sides of each, left and right sides light up when you hit the brakes. It looks so good. I'll do a nighttime as well and add it in here so you can see what it looks like at night. Let me make sure it's off. Okay, and there it is again, without any brake lights. You can still see them, bright as day. If you get down to its level, it's like really bright. Looks good. Alright guys, that's it for this part. Now we're gonna wait for nighttime. And here's what it looks like without any lights on at all. They're pitch black. They look really good. Look at that. Whew. I'll put a before and after picture so you can see what it looked like before in the back. Now that the windows are tinted, it looks a lot nicer. Might paint this red. I'm not sure yet. Or I might just cut these letters out and put some LEDs behind it so that way when I hit the brakes, it'll light up Camaro. I've seen a lot of mods like that and it looks really nice. Alright guys, stay tuned.